Right, so today we're gonna have a look at 6 of the best AI tools that you can try completely for free. And honestly, they're absolutely brilliant. You can automate all these annoying repetitive tasks, find information way more effectively, cut down the time it takes you to respond to email, and loads more. Let's dive in. First up, we have got Zapier. Now, Zapier is basically a tool that lets you eliminate all of those tedious and repetitive tasks by automating them. That way, you can focus on what actually matters, like, I don't know, baking cookies or whatever. Zapier is free to start using, which is brilliant. So, let's say I have a Google feedback form that customers at my cookies company can fill out. Once a customer submits their feedbacks, it'd be nice if they automatically receive a personalized response without me having to do it manually, right? So, you sign into Zapier, type in what you like to automate and all the different apps that you use. Then Zapier suggests something called a Zap, which is their word for flow automation. And then you can click in and customize the detail for each step in the process. So now, whenever a new feedback comes in, Zapier automatically sends a personalized response to the customer. This is just one example. You can connect thousands of different apps like Gmail, Notion, Excel, Slack, and the list goes on and on. It's honestly really powerful. Number 2, we have got Google AI Studio. Now this is quite cool. This AI can analyze your screen in real life and provide step-by-step guidance on basically any task you are trying to do. For example, let's say you are not sure how to do something in Microsoft Excel. AI Studio can help you with that. You click on Stream Real Time, then at the bottom you share your microphone and your screen. And then you can just asking questions like, I like to see the unit sold by location. How do I do that? And it's a walk you through the entire process step by step. It's honestly incredible. This shows the true power of AI and how it can help us all learn new things really quickly. Next up, we have got ChatGPT. Now, you have probably used this before, but you might not know about all of this advanced functionality that hidden away. So let me show you a few bits. First, there is something called the canvas. This is basically interactive space where you can create, edit. It's probably useful and iterate on long-form text or code. And it's probably useful because you can highlight just one paragraph and ask ChatGPT to change just a bit. You can even view version history so you know what's been changed. There is also a reasoning module that you can activate. This is brilliant for logical thinking, complex problem solving, and multi-step analysis, like how many cookies should be baked in December given this sale data from past year. It will actually work for you properly. You can also set up what's called a project. You can upload document and provide context, and ChatGPT will use all of that when responding to your prompts. There is also multimodal support, so you can analyze images and files. There is also a new tool called Sora, which can generate high-quality videos from text description. So it does loads more than just a chat. Maybe they should call it everything GPT. Number 4, we have got ElevenLabs. Now, ElevenLabs produce incredibly realistic AI voices that sounds like just actual real people. You have probably heard lots of their voice before, whether on YouTube videos or maybe even on commercials. So once you sign in, one of the left-hand side, you click on the text-to-speech. You paste in some text, and on the right you can change the voice, set the model, and just various settings. Then you click generate and boom, you have got realistic AI speech. They also offer lots of other tools like voice changer. You can use AI to make sound effects, and they even have an option to dub or translate audio into their languages. It's quite brilliant, really. Next, we have Perplexity AI. Now, if you feel like Google's search quality has gone a bit downhill, Perplexity might be the search engine you have been looking for. In the center of the screen, you have a text bar where you can type the prompt or your query. And one of the big differences of your query, one of the big differences from Google is that you can where you want Perplexity to search its answer from. You can choose the web, academia, or social, which basically means Reddit. Your notice citation for the answer, and from the publisher through to the answer, and all published scientific papers. You can click on any searches to browse the original paper. You can also remove the searches and return the research. It's really perfect and research, fast-checking AI-powered insights, all while minimizing possible hallucination, and it's free to use. There's also a paid plan that gives even more functionality. Last one, if you are a content creator like me, Descripts is honestly a game changer for editing videos and podcasts. And here's why. You can edit your video just like you would edit a Word document. So like this dot, let me know that there is a long pause. I can simply click on them and delete the pause and cut it out of the video automatically. You can also add in text or voice using something called overdub. You will need to train the AI to use your voice first, and then it will generate new speech using your voice. There are also loads of other AI features that will make your video even more professional. For example, Studio Sound will improve the sound quality and make it way more consistent. You can separate yourself from the background just by clicking a button. You can automatically generate caption for your video in English and even in other languages. This is honestly one of the best AI tools for streamlining content production and making video editing as easy as editing a document. So, there you have it. 6 brilliant AI tools that you can use for free. Let me know which one your favorites. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!